The Spokane County Regional Health District reporting a child under the age of 5 has died from complications of whooping cough. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Kirsten O'Connor.
And I'm Derek Dice. It's the first reported death from whooping coughs in the state since 2011. Health officials say the child had received some doses of the whooping cough vaccine prior to getting sick, but had not had all of the shots. Whooping cough can impact babies and the elderly, and as in this case, it can be deadly. And we've been telling you about the rise of respiratory diseases since the start of flu season.
According to the CDC, there were 6 times as many cases of whooping cough in 2024 compared to 2019. Health experts urge the best way to protect you and your family from getting whooping cough is to stay up to date on vaccines.